Hi guys, Lee with Milk and Sugar Bath Bakery. I just recently made a purchase from Be Scented and I got a new Honey I Wash the Kids. It's a Lush type. If you've ever bought this soap from Lush, you'll know what it smells like. It smells like honey and it's sweet, and I feel like there's a little bit of it smells like there's a bit of cherry in it and vanilla. So it immediately inspired me to create a soap, and I want to call this, I'm going to be calling it White Honey. I want an all white soap. So I've already put some titanium dioxide into my lye solution. I'm gonna split it into 4 different containers. I want 4 layers today, and we are going to do a mica line with this 24 karat gold from Chemistry Connection. I already have my colloidal oatmeal, and I already have my kaolin clay in here. So we'll add in this cream, we'll give it a buzz, make sure everything's incorporated, and then I'll go ahead and also add my lye solution with titanium dioxide, and I'll bring you right back. This does not have to be super even. As long as it's pretty close, it won't matter, because we're not going to do super flat lines. I'm going to do kind of rigid layers today with this one. We have all 4 split up. They're not perfectly even, that's okay. It's not gonna make a huge difference with this. It'll look a little rustic on the inside, but really, really beautiful. So I'm gonna put 3 of these off to the side. And I'm going to fragrance one at a time. This, oh my gosh, this fragrance is so good. You know, when I purchase fragrances, I love them sometimes right off the bat, but rarely do I have an idea within 24 hours that I must absolutely do. But this was one of those. Now, this fragrance does have a touch of vanillin in it. Vanillin is typically going to be found in fragrances that have very sweet smells to them. And when you're using it in cold processed soap, when it goes through the saponification process, the chemistry of that fragrance oil will end up discoloring your soap. So it'll turn it to a darker brown or tan depending on the amount. This one has a small bit of vanillin in it. However, the reviews and the testing from Jen at Be Scented said that it really did not discolor soap. So I'm using the titanium dioxide to kind of combat that, and I'm hoping that it doesn't go too dark. If it darkens slightly, that'll be all right. But we do want to get this one as white as we can, since I'm going to be calling it White Honey. This is the perfect consistency. We want this to thicken up a bit. I'm going to smack it down. Make sure we don't have any air bubbles. I think we're ready to start texturing this, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I want it to have some ridges, but I think if I go this way, it'll give me some good effect. We're just gonna make crazy movements in it. This gold, 24 karat gold mica is incredibly sparkly. It's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna take a little bit of this and we're gonna put it in our tea strainer. And then we're just gonna sprinkle it on the top. It's gonna make a huge mess. And we're gonna just coat this entire top with this. And then we'll move on to the next layer. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. So we'll just kind of tap this in. A little bit of mica goes a long way when you're doing a mica line, especially when it's so airborne like this one. Try to make sure we get all the sides really well. We want it to be a straight line when we cut the soap. And if you don't get even coverage all the way across, you're not gonna get a straight line. That is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is take another bucket of our soap, put our fragrance in, we'll put it in on top of this, and then we'll do another line. We're gonna do that 2 more times and then top it with all white for our 4th layer, and then we'll put the embeds on top. So I'll keep you guys going, but I'm gonna speed this up because it's gonna be the exact same thing you just saw. So we'll just go a little faster. We now have all the soap in the mold, and it's time to decorate the top. So I really want these honeycomb translucent soap embeds to be the star of the top. They're gonna be sticking up quite a bit. I wanna do just a simple swirl, but I want more gold. So I have taken some of the 24 karat gold mica that we used for the mica lines. I'm going to add just a tad bit of olive oil in here. And we're gonna mix that up and do a little mica drizzle on top. And then we'll swirl it together. I don't know if you guys noticed or can tell, but that 24 karat gold is very light and airy, and I basically have gold glitter all over the place in my soap room. Whoops. I'm gonna have glitter on me all night. Yay! It's Friday night. Whoop whoop. It's cool. So, we're just gonna do some drops. All the way across the top. This soap fragrance smells amazing. Can't wait for this one to saponify. And we'll look at the inside. It's gonna be gorgeous. It's fun to do intricate swirls with a lot of different colors, but sometimes it's just as beautiful, if not more beautiful, to keep something very simple. Okay. I think we're good with that. I'm going to take a wooden skewer and we are going to do a little swirl through all of these. It is time to cut our white honey soap. I have had this sitting out of the mold for about 2 days. It smells fantastic. It's very, very softly scented, but it's beautiful. It's perfect for a white, pure white soap with gold. So you can kind of see our 3 mica lines in here. We're gonna cut into here and see what they look like. And they should be uneven. Very nice. Oh, this smells beautiful. This is going to make for a beautiful, luxurious soap. I love this honeycomb embed on the top. I'm not sure if you guys can see how quite glittery and gorgeous it is, but it is beautiful. I'm loving this one. Like I said when I was making it, there's something about having just a simple, beautiful, luxurious bar of soap in this white and gold is perfect with this soft scent.